Jesus Christ. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian if you haven't been here before. Today I'm going to do an Urban Outfitters haul and try on for you guys. I did a I did a haul previously. I will link it up here in the description box down below, featuring H&M, Target, and Forever 21. But I didn't get to do like a try on because I didn't have a great setup and way to give you a try on. But I've created a little space now. It's not outside, so it's like weatherproof. But in that haul, I did get this t-shirt, which is from Forever 21, and these earrings, which are from H&M. So if you want to see more of that, check that out. Like I said, I'll leave the links. But today we're doing an Urban Outfitters haul. Technically, I got like half of this a month ago on sale, and the other half I got like recently in store. So like, pretend I got it all at once or something. I don't know, who cares? No one cares. So that's what we're gonna do today. Really quick before we get started, if you're looking for a channel that features a goofy girl who's 5'9", has silver hair, likes funky clothes and funky makeup and beauty and fashion and lifestyle, and recently lost a lot of weight and is like talking about that and fitness, then this is the channel for you. Click the subscribe button down below, leave a like, turn that little bell thing so you know whenever I post new videos, which should be once a week. It's not gonna be annoying. Once a week. That's fine. You can turn the bell thing on, that's great. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so these are the Adidas Adibreak, and then the sweatpants. As soon as I saw these, I don't know where I saw them first, somewhere, and I saw the snaps. I died, ascended to heaven, came back and was like, I got to find these. I need to find these. I need to own them. Looked on, saw some on ASOS that were pink that I really wanted, but they were $80. And then Urban Outfitters was having a sale and these were on sale. They like ran out of the black ones before I could get the black ones because I would have preferred the black one. But they did have these dark green and they have this red color, which I'll try on in a second. No, that's not, that's a different one. That's a different thing. I cleaned up at Adidas, as you can see. That's still not the same thing. Okay, this one. I got them in red, I'll try them on in a second. These are actually a size smaller than these. These are a large and these are an extra large. I think they're men's. Pretty sure they're men's, but I don't know if they've even made any limits. I think they're kind of a unisex thing, even though. So yeah, here they are. I really love the snaps because you can change them to look how you want them to look. If you want them to look all the way buttoned up, you can. If you want one button undone, you can do that. If you want two, guess what? You can do that too. You can unbutton them halfway up and it's like, now it's like a cool flare moment thing. It's neat, it's cool, it's funky, it's fresh. It's good and fresh, sisters. Let's look at the next one. Okay, so these are the red ones. And I think, yeah, like I said, these are the extra large. They are a little bit bigger. And I got both sizes because I was like, I don't know what size it's gonna be, especially if it's like men's too. And so I got them with the intention of like returning one, but they both like fit. Like those fit, these fit, they're a bit bigger, but they have a drawstring. So even as I continue to lose weight, which I'm doing if you wanna check that out, weight loss videos, how I lost 30 pounds video, how I'm using this app, this calorie counting. No! She doesn't want to stay up. I don't know what her deal is. She's like, how can I sabotage Viv's setup here? And then she does it. Calm down. Okay. Yeah, what was I saying? How I lost 30 pounds video, and then this other app about this app called Lose It, which is a calorie counting app, and how I'm using that to take the next step of my weight loss fitness journey. But anyway, here's these pants. You can clip the bottom one and then you have this neat it's not all the way undone, but you've got like a, you know, kind of thing. So these next ones are, I think they're also technically Adibreak, because maybe that like this giant thing somehow means Adibreak. Sounds like you're gonna take a break from Adidas, which clearly I'm not doing because I got 4 different pants. But these are just like cottony leggings. They're not like workout leggings, though I would have loved if they were. So they're more of like a, you know, wear them casually leggings and not work out on them because they're cotton, and that would be, I just wouldn't do that. But yeah, still really like them because I mean, I can't get over the like 3-stripe or anything that breaks up the leg and it goes down the side. It's always a good look. Always a cute moment. And this is, I didn't get a shirt in this like entire haul. That's why I'm wearing this shirt, and I'm keeping this shirt on while I do all my pants because I don't want to change back and forth or anything like that. So we're just gonna wear the same shirt. Oh, and I also forgot to mention I got this necklace there in these earrings. I know I talked about my earrings earlier, and for some reason, even though I was like, oh, I need to wear some earrings for this video, let me get my H&M ones. I forgot that I got earrings, these little cute star ones. Okay, these may be my favorite out of like everything I've gotten, probably because they're Adidas, they've got the side stripe, they're this kind of jogger that I love this, you know, when it tapers in and like a little scrunchy. I just really love that silhouette, that cut, whatever you want to call it. They're velvet. Yeah, you heard right. They're velvet. They're velvet. They're this pretty maroon color. Oh my god, they are so comfortable. I just live for this kind of look, this kind of athleisure, comfy velvet, so that added level of like fun, funky flair. Woo, you know? Woo! Oh my god, I just love these so much. Super comfy, oh my god. But you can wear them with just like some, you know, classic Adidas Superstars. Mine are like 3 or 4 years old by now. Fun fact, after I first got them, the first time I went to London, I took them to the cliffs of Moher in Ireland, in Ireland, and it was raining and wet and muddy, and they still came back white. They didn't come back destroyed, even though I had just bought them. But now they've been through a lot. They've been with me when I went back to London, and they've been to the cliffs of Dover now. So they've been to all the cliffs. Or you can also wear them with something new along the line of this new like ugly dad chunky. They're new, the Fila Disruptor 2 in white. Here is my next, this is my last pants? The last pants, I think. These are like a nice denim, they're stretchy. I love when denim jeans are stretchy. Yeah, denim pant. They have a, what's it called? An elastic waist. Nice, good length, especially jeans in general. You know, if you're like a bigger person, jeans in general, I mean for everybody too, jeans are hard. Jeans are very hard to find the right fit, the right cut that flatters you. It's just, it's a mess. It's really hard because everyone's body type is different, and jeans are so, the fit and the look of them is so depending on how it fits like around here, which is on everyone is shaped like differently, and not every cut is going to flatter the same person in the same way, no matter what their size is. And so for me in general, especially now that I've been losing weight, I've kind of been like hesitant, even though right now I don't have like any jeans. It's been too hot for me to wear jeans for a while anyway, and the ones I had were too big, or like my black ones actually, like I ripped a hole in them when I came, right when I was like coming back from London, so I like left them in a hotel room. And my other like the blue jeanie ones I had, I got while I was in London, and they worked then, but even then they started to get like a little big. And so as soon as I started losing weight, I couldn't fit into those anymore. But I didn't want to buy like a really nice pair of jeans because I knew if I keep, you know, doing well and continue on my weight loss fitness journey, then I'm gonna like grow out of them, and you know, I'll spend all this money for a jean that I can't wear. Don't want to do that. Can't afford to do that. So this is really nice that I found a like stretchy jean, so even if I lose weight, these are still gonna fit me because they have an elastic waist. And they're just really comfortable. I've always been a little bit wary of like wide leg pants because I have wide legs, so it's like, is it gonna flatter it? Is it just gonna emphasize how big my legs are? I like these, and especially I think the key is having them come up to like that 7/8 length right above your ankles, and so you get that like a bit of like skinny, no, my ankles are really skinny, they're not, but that kind of like illusion of like a skinny ankle. And then especially if you really want to make that part seem thinner, put on some chunky ugly dad shoes like these Fila Disruptor 2s, and so that'll like create that like, you know, give you that part of like, okay, it's not just like a big leg overall, like here's the thinness, or you know, whatever. But yeah, I really like these pants, they're really comfy. Okay, so we are off pants now and we're into anything else. This is a dress, clearly. I saw it and I was like, this actually, I mean, it looks like it could be a nice cut. It probably is going to be too tight for me, but what I really liked was the mock turtle, because I've been looking for turtlenecks or mock turtles. And I was just kind of like, let's just try it on for, you know, for kicks and see what happens. And surprisingly, it's flattering because it has that kind of almost A-line where it goes out instead of being like bodycon and like showing off all your rolls, which I like can't deal with. So yeah, it was so flattering and so, I mean, and sparkly. If something's sparkly in the store, boom, it's like a magnet. Or fluffy. If it's sparkly or it's like faux fur or like shearling, I'm like at it. First, like second I go in the store, I know where it is, I'm like going to check it out. But yeah, sparkly shiny, this would be a really good holiday dress. Christmas parties, stuff. I mean, unless you live somewhere that's like super duper cold. You could wear tights, but I don't like tights. Sorry, Grace. I don't like tights. I can't do it. Yeah, it actually is like flattering on me from the side, which partly is because I've been working out. I don't know if you've heard, but also just I think the cut of it is like good. Oh, I can't knock her over again. I think it looks really cute if you want to wear it kind of casually. It looks good with these shoes. These shoes honestly were such a good buy because they go with like everything. That's what I was on. I was looking for like a good white shoe because I have my Adidas Superstars, but they have that 3-stripe, which like works with some things, but doesn't work if you have things with like a pattern or a texture. I feel like you kind of have to be careful because the stripe is already like a big element in itself, so you have to be careful with putting it together. But because these are so white and they have that like, yeah, that thing where they're chunky, so they kind of give you like a nice thinner ankle, they just look good. I really like it. I'm gonna show you a more dressed up version too if you're going to like a party and it's like cold. Did I get that right? Did that work? That'd be really cool if it worked. I told you I was gonna show you this coat, didn't I? Again, referencing my haul that is linked in the description somewhere. I did a haul and this coat was from H&M, but I didn't really get to give you a good like shot of it. This is what it looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? It's gorgeous. She's sister stunning. Brown cow's stunning too. But yeah, you can just easily like throw on a big coat over it and it's real cute. These shoes are from Zara. I got them last winter because I needed a new black boot. And these have worked out really well so far. It took me a while to hunt because I'm very specific about what I want my black boot to look like. But yeah, these work really well so far. I also got this bucket hat and on sale. It was on sale in store. I've been looking for a bucket hat. When it was like first trendy, I was like, that's hideous, I hate it. But the more and more I saw it, I was like, you know, in the right way, I don't hate it. And it is kind of a nice, like if my hair was, you know, a couple days old and greasy at the roots, nice way to cover it up and like keep the bottom, you can just, you know, whatever. I like this, it's pink. I was looking at one from Irene is Good Label, but it was like, it's reversible and it's cute, it's black and gingham. But Irene, it's like $70 or something like that. It's kind of crazy. This was like $5 or $7 or something on sale. Pretty cute. I'm not like 100% sold yet, but I like it, I think. Like the way it like amplifies whatever I'm saying because of this like round thing. So that's kind of funny. Yeah. Like lean down again so you can see it. I also got this hat because it had a see-through pink visor and I love funky, cool, unique stuff and it was on sale for like $4. So I got this hat too. I like baseball hats a lot too. I have a lot of baseball hats. So add one more to the collection. If you guys want to see, I'm thinking about doing it anyway, but if you guys want to see it, I have an extensive beret collection. It's not like super extensive, but I do have a lot. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. I might just do it anyway because I think it'll be fun. But yeah. I also got this fuzzy like lavender scrunchie because like I said, it's fuzzy and it's a bright color, so my eye was like, phew, and I had to get it. I don't wear my hair up like in a ponytail a lot of the times because like my head is shaped funny. It's just big and I have a big forehead, so like I think this is really cute, so I had to get it. I also got all of these socks. because I decided I needed some socks to go with these Fila Disruptor 2s that I just got in all white, because I have the gold pair, and if you haven't seen that unboxing video, I will link it in the description box below. Check that out. It's funny, it's funky, it's cool. It's fresh! But yeah, I decided I need some socks to go with it. So I got some Fila specific ones to like match very specifically with my Fila shoes, and I got some Adidas ones to go with my Superstars. Now I'm realizing that these 3 stripes kind of clash with each other, and so that'll have to be like a super duper casual look, and I'll wear like an Adidas sweatshirt too and just be like, screw it, we're just doing, it's a whole thing. Everything's Adidas, we got all the stripes, all the places. They would look better if I had some Stan Smiths, but I do not have any. Yeah, I also got these pair with pandas on them because, you know, pandas are freaking cute, and hearts because I will never ever stop buying things that have hearts on them. Never in my entire life. That's a promise. Alright guys, that's my video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I think I got everything. I'm gonna feel really silly if I missed one of the things I got, but I think I got everything. So I think that's it. I will see you guys next time. Bye.